In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can rebuild the icon cache and clear the thumbnail cache on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we need to right click at the start button and we have to click the run button to open it. In the run window, I'm going to paste the path in here. This will also be posted in the description section of this video so that you can go directly into this path in the file explorer. And once you are into the path, you will find all the icon cache and also the thumbnail or thumb cache. So simply select all the icon cache. Okay. Click Control on your keyboard and then select all the icon cache. Okay. So I have 15 icon cache from here. Then simply click the delete icon at the top. Check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Now, not all of this will be deleted, and that is totally fine. Then you also find here the thumb cache. So click the control key on keyboard and then select all the thumb cache. Okay. Then simply click the delete icon and check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Not all of this will be deleted, and that is totally fine. So once you have done that, open the file, open the recycle bin and also delete everything from here. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.